What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another side quest guide. At this one, we'll be heading to this big staircase nearby the Transfiguration Courtyard, and just inside, we'll be speaking to Duncan.
You wanted to speak with me?
I did. Hello, I'm Duncan Hobhouse. Pleasure to meet you. I've heard all about you, of course, confronting trolls and dragons.
That's nice to hear. I've had my share of adventure. I hope my reputation's warranted.
I'm going to presume your reputation is in fact warranted, in which case, you are precisely the person I need. You see, we were learning to repel boggarts in Professor Hecat's class, and, well, mine unfortunately took the shape of a puffskein.
Oh, they seem innocent, but their tongues can be most disturbing.
Exactly. I wish more of our fellow students agreed with you. Regardless of how reasonable I believe my fear of puffskeins to be, I'm beginning to get a reputation as a coward. Some have even taken to calling me Puffskein Duncan.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Words can be cruel.
Thank you. Poppy keeps offering to help me in overcoming my fear, but I'm too afraid to take her up on it. Anyway, to make matters worse, I stupidly blurted out that I must be braver than people think, since I have been in the Hidden Herbology Corridor.
The Hidden Herbology Corridor?
Yes. Rumour has it that the herbology professor before Professor Garlic kept dangerous plants there. It's supposedly so overrun now that no one dares enter it anymore. I was hoping you could go there and bring back evidence that I could use to show that, well, I'd gone in. Say a bit of an exceptionally dangerous plant of some kind.
Very well. If I'm in the area, perhaps I shall take a look.
Grand. I'd very much appreciate it. Come and find me if you get the proof. I shall be forever in your debt.
Now we'll head over to the gardens. Do note that you'll lose a ton of FPS here,
Hidden Herbology Corridor.
or at least when you exit the hidden corridor, as that area is just a known FPS killer. For now though, we'll run across to the point that's marked on our map. Leaving the front doors at Hogwarts, we'll head across to the right, and down here, we'll see a moving plant. We're in the right direction. Through this little archway at the back, we'll see these hives, but we need to get below it. Running a bit further, you'll see this little staircase, which we can run down, and across all the way, you'll find this. Using Incendio, we can get inside here. Through the door, we're now in the Hidden Herbology Corridor. You'll see Devil's Snare. Simply use Lumos to get through it, otherwise you'll take damage if you go too quickly. Over to the right is a little door. We can run up here, and inside of it, we'll find these lights that we can use Incendio on to chase back some of this horrible weed. After hitting all of them, we'll hop across and open the chest. There's a sorcerer's hat for us. Can you jump? Thank you. We'll continue on our way. There's another section here. Breaking these boxes. We'll hit the light just across the water here, or at least as best we can. We'll do it in the right order. Or in fact, we don't need to do all of them. One seems to be good enough. We can loot the chest and head back. Through this door is this really big plant. We'll run up to it and hit F to grab a leaf, and we can continue. Seems to be some gold here. Across and up the ladder here, we'll exit into the greenhouses. This is where your FPS will really tank. If the video freezes a bit, just skip a little bit forwards. We can pick up some more Venomous Tentacula in here, just to stock up our supplies. It's very weird that picking up a leaf or two destroys the entire bush, but anyways. A chest, now to simply return to Duncan.
Anything to, prove?
Hello, Duncan. I have the proof you wanted.
That's one leaf. Must have been a giant venomous tentacula. It's even more than I expected. I knew you were the one to ask. I appreciate you getting it for me.
Of course. I hope this helps you prove yourself.
This is sure to put an end to Puffskein Duncan for good when I show everyone in the common room tonight. This'll show Everett how ridiculous that nickname was. Thank you again, and have a good day. I know I will.
There we go. The Venomous Valour is now complete. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.